I had a wonderful time. It was very realistic.
I want to congratulate Patrick Ulysse and the entire cast. It was just wonderful.
Coming here, I wasn't sure what to expect.
I really enjoyed it.
Oh, I love it. Everything is great.
It's a lot of fun playing with these guys.
It's a story of a gentleman that's looking for Miss Right, and when he finally finds her, she's actually already engaged.
He's a community service kind of guy, working with the kids. Found a love interest who's also doing the same thing on the other side with the girls.
I'm a dance teacher. I am working with a lot of kids that are dealing with a lot of challenging situations in their communities.
Great characters. I think it's great to have a lot of diversity in Haitian cinema.
Playing with Mac was great because he's such a great actor.
I just let everything out truthfully out of me.
I was impressed.
We have a lot of fun off screen, so it comes out really well, I guess, naturally. Yeah.
You know, I'm a bon vivant, if you will, in the picture.
It portrayed diversity.
I enjoyed watching the Haitian culture and the different stereotypes that's put on it and how it was played out by the actors in the movie.
Culture is something that's very important.
I'm from Haiti. I was born in Haiti, but I've lived more of my life here in the States, so I'm more of an American now.
I'm Haitian, always Haitian, and also I'm part of this African-American experience as well.
It's good to have both showing on the screen.
But I'm still at the core very Haitian, so I keep both sides of myself, and that's what we try to do with the film.
Bravo, keep up the good work.
I enjoyed it. It was fun. It was funny. And I wish you guys all the success. Thank you.